Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game in stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. And already we're underway here. Now there's a headline maker, Steven Gerrard.
Focal point for any team he plays in.
Yeah, I suspect he may be deployed as a more holding midfielder, but that seems wrong when you know how good he is 30 yards forward. Laporte with the foul. And it's Messi. Now it's Benzema. Benzema not easily shrugged off the ball, and he showed it. Mbappe! And he's there to cut it out. And that has been clubbed away. Salah. Marcelo. Still goalless at the moment. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities. And it's Messi. Daniel Alves can't get the better of his opposite number. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Benzema threads one through. Mbappe, he's left his man. Nicely controlled. Into the box. Cleared without complication. Messi did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Gerrard. Now it's Benzema. Benzema tries lifting it over. That intervention was very necessary. Rakitic. Kimmich tries to get it forward quickly. It's Rakitic. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now it's Benzema. Messi. Bonaventura. Bonaventura. Oh, the ball's come loose. Chance to break. Benzema plays it out to the flank. Whistle's gone. Just offside. He may have been caught offside, but Mbappe may have been born offside, but he'll continue playing on the shoulder of the last defender, I can tell you. And it's Luis Suarez. Timely intervention. It's Salah! that's it for the first half. A breathless ending. So neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. Been an interesting game up to now, but still goals. So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. Here we go again. No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Going through. Oh, sweet feet. Rakitic battles to win it back. Moran gets into the right position to intercept. Luis Suarez with the looking to shoot. And it's a goal!
And that has only enhanced his already huge reputation. They were obviously hoping for an early second half boost, but there are a few who can truly make it happen. This is a very welcome tonic now.
Oh, high quality goal. Lovely first touch. Sumptuous second. Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the number one contender, and he's done it again.
Now it's Messi. Luis Suarez. It's Salah. Koke. Eight low and direct. Luis Suarez. It's a very good battle there. Terrific to watch. No way through there. Laporte. Sergio, what are you thinking?
Well, it's a natural instinct to defend when ahead, but it's too early for them to settle into that practice just now. Benzema really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
And the keeper's given it away. He's got away. It could be Mohamed Salah! Oh, and that should have been two.
Mohamed Salah has reacted in utter shock here. For him, the keeper has pulled off the impossible.
Header! Oh, great save. Real class.
Suarez simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Di Maria. Now it's Messi. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Now it's Benzema. Plays it out wide. He's got options out wide.
Milan are definitely not going down without a scrap. Their attitude just can't be faulted.
Out wide to the right. He's left his man. Can he? Big chance! He's done very well to get to that.
Suarez is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Up for the header! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Savage sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
In with a header! Try. He hasn't come through so easily, a bit different.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Now it's Benzema. Savage goes looking. And that's that. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny. Just a goal in it. That was enough.
Yeah, it was a...